Hello, I'm Vanessa, and in this video I'll show you how to inspect and clean a fiber optic connector. Thinner than a human hair and encased in ceramic, fiber optic connectors must be inspected and cleaned before mating, or cross-contamination and damage may occur. Let's see how clean this is. It's filthy! Luckily, cleaning is simple with a standard cleaning tool like this cassette-type Cleatop. Perfectly clean now. This cable is definitely serviceable. Let's look at a scratched cable connector. Focusing. Oh, yes, this fiber optic connector is badly scratched. It will need to be replaced. Well, that's the basics. Tune in next time for more on fiber optic basics. Ciao.